What other way?
Your name.
Yeah, that's what I want.
I want to listen to your name. No, you just.
오늘 팀은 너야. 베스트 키퍼를 님바 되는 너야. 저.
Best keeper do.
민두사 아니고.
I have to listen.
So we are here, and we as a group, we're going to Vancouver BC for a soccer tournament. G-Star.
Me to be the MC. So we're gonna have a fair game. We're all like brothers here, and so there will be consequences if you if you hit someone in the leg and whatnot.
Let me introduce myself first. I'm FC Tsampa, one of the core organizers of this event, and was bothering all the captains from last 2 months or so. So thank you to the two captains. On behalf of the organizing committee and also a manager of the Vancouver Tibetan Football Club, I would heartily like to welcome each one of you present here, and especially to our brothers from the other side of the border, the two teams, Portland Tsampa and Seattle Mastiffs. Please give them a big round of applause for coming this far to participate. Cutting ceremony. So, yeah. So ribbon is not visible earlier, right? Okay, Tenzin Gyumela cutting the ribbon.
Yeah! Party!
탑서 Seattle lakbolo.
Who we are?
Tsampa FC.
Yeah, the dog.
Hero.